Alright guys, so in today's video it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be nice and quick, and all I want to go over, it's late so I don't feel like showing my face. We're going to be going over how to fix this little Godox TT685. It's the one for Sony, and as you guys know, if you have a Sony flash, it is absolute garbage. It broke. I literally used it for about 5 shoots, maybe, if that. And halfway through shooting, it was on top of my hot shoe, and I literally didn't do anything. I felt it a little loose, and all of a sudden I just heard it fall. So here we are. So the reason it keeps sticking also is that's a Magmod grip around it, and this is a metal table, which actually helps. So first things first, I'm gonna use, if you guys have seen some of our other videos, this is our little handy dandy screwdriver kit from the dollar store. So I always keep these around, and we're gonna go ahead and remove one by one. I'll speed up the footage so that way you guys don't have to sit here watching me do one by one. I guess I could also mention, what the heck is this isn't a Godox problem, so I'm not gonna blame Godox for this, because this is well, I guess I could, because they could make a metal bracing area here. So for example, there are some flashes that I use that are from the Nikon system, and they're fully metal on the bottom, because not this part, but like this area right here. I still keep them because we never shoot in TTL because we're not amateurs. No, really, because we want that consistency from one shot to the next. So for example, when this one went down, I still have my Nikon one, so I finished the shoot with that. But my thing is, like, why, you know, these things break. Like, if you've taken them through any sort of testing, you know that these things break really freaking easily. So wouldn't you design something eventually that's better? You know what I mean? Or you would imagine they would have put it through its paces before releasing the stupid thing. But I digress. Okay, so maybe I should zoom in on this. So check this out. It looks like, because I've never done this, so that's why I wanted to do it on camera. It looks like, let it focus, you just slide it out and then slide it back in. That's what she said. So I think you just pull this tab off. Yep. So you see that? You put it, I think it's gonna focus. So it's this little tab that you just pull out of this little area. So you pull that little tab out, and then that's the front of the flash. So then you just push this little tab back in, and that should be how it connects, which really, if I'm being honest, is extremely simple. It's just as easy as that, actually. So let me not be lazy. I'm gonna take the camera off and zoom in to show you guys what I just did. Damn, this thing is slow with the autofocus. So it's literally that little area right there. So as you guys saw, it was just a matter of pulling that little tab out and then putting the new one back in. So this is the first time that I've ever done that, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I'll give you guys a little update and let you know if this operation was successful. As far as I can see, I mean, it seems very straightforward, actually. I am not mechanically inclined by any means, and I mean, if I wasn't talking, I probably could have knocked that out in like 45 seconds. So not the end of the world. So you know what I might do is, I mean, it sucks that this is the solution that you have to come up with, but I might even order an extra one and have it with me in my Pelican case. Because yes, it sucks, but if we know that this is an ongoing issue, we may as well be prepared for the next time that it happens. So that being said, I think I might just order another one, and I'll link it down below. It's about, I think it was like 20 bucks or something like that on Amazon, so it's not stupid expensive. However, like I said, this is not an issue that we should be having to fix when they can easily just include this metal mount instead of the other one. All right, and that should do it. I'm gonna put my little handy dandy screwdrivers back in here. So like I said, I think that I'm probably gonna order another one of these to keep in my bag, because as you can see, you see the difference between this one, which is metal, and this one, which is, they both have a little bit of metal, but this one has a lot less than this one. So hopefully this holds up better. Only time will tell, but I'll give you guys an update and let you know how it's doing. Thank you guys for watching.